So today we're going to do my poultry rub. It's a simple rub. I just go get all my ingredients from the spice aisle at the superstore or any grocery store. You can get them. You can get them in bulk or just little stuff that I hardly ever use. I'll get small packages like that, like sage and thyme and stuff like that that I use. Oregano, we grow our own oregano, so what I do is I'll get started with the ingredients. So we'll get all these spices ready to measure. I got my measuring spoons, my whisk to measure, and then I got a container to blend. So we'll be right back. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of sage. And we'll open it up. One. It's 2. One tablespoon of thyme. Now, it would have been nice if we had ground thyme. You can put this stuff in a grinder, chop it up fine. I don't mind it being coarse. Tablespoon of thyme. I got 1 tablespoon of oregano. Give or take. It's not a... That's a tablespoon. Got some white pepper. 1 teaspoon of white pepper. One teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic powder. A teaspoon. Next one is next. So we're going to continue. We got 1 teaspoon of paprika. And the last ingredient is 1 tablespoon of onion powder. So now we're going to mix it, get a little whisk, mix it all up. And then I'll put it in a container. I'll put it in my poultry rub container. I like making small batches at a time, just so you have fresh ingredients. So all the ingredients will be in the description below. What I suggest is take a little bit, give it a little taste. I would grind up the rosemary a little bit more. It's a little chunky, but that's fine because it's going to go on chicken and turkey, anything poultry, duck. It's good for that. Could add a little bit more salt, but you should always taste it and kind of go by what you think is right. So all the ingredients will be in the description below. I'm gonna have another video coming out on my pork rub and also my meat rub, so stay tuned for that. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you find this too boring or too long or too short, play around with the settings and the playback speed, either boost it up or lower it, see how you like it. Okay, so we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. And I'll put the ingredients in the description below. I like paprika, gives it nice color.